Welcome guys, if you wanna use face unlock on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro, let's move to the settings, then scroll down and click on the passwords and security. Right now we have to enter on the face unlock. Now we have to confirm our second lock method, and mine is the pin, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Click on the next, and as you can see, I'm going to delete face data because it was just set up earlier. So click on the OK, and right now we can just set up again. Click on the next, and if we press next, our smartphone is going to scan our face, and this is it. So thank you for the watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.